Although the noise level of loud rock music, the noise of planes, and noise of construction work are equivalent. While people enjoy listening to music at full blast, on the other hand, we feel frustration with the noise of planes and construction. Therefore, our attitude toward noise is inconsistent. However, it is not ambiguous that sound pollution has negative effects on us. If we are exposed to loud noise in short time, our inner ear will be damaged. However, we can recover from this damage soon. For instance, after we hear a loud sound, we experience a brief difficulty or distortion in hearing. The time that will take to recover depends on the duration of the exposure. However, when we experience extraordinary noise for extended period of time, we cannot recover from the damage. We can accept loud noise to some extent. We have parameters or limit. We use decibel as an index to measure the power of sound. 20 decibels is the sound of rustling of leaves. 80 decibels is the noise of beaters from 1.5 meters, the sound of piano from 1 meter, or on a train. 90 decibels is a bulk of talk from 5 meters away, or in a karaoke box. 100 decibels is under the guard when trains are passing. 120 decibels, the near the engine of plane, opera, or live house. At 120 decibels, the ear begins to register pain. 150 decibels of noise give damage that you cannot repair from it. We have a perforated eardrum, so please listen carefully. Just kidding. If we are exposed to 90 decibels of noise for 8 hours in a day for 5 days a week, our ears will get damaged, although the degree of damage is different with each person. If we are exposed to above the recommended parameter of 120 decibels, we need ear protection. So here is the question. What is not audible noise? Here is the answer. Although we cannot hear actual noise, since the noise is beyond our area that we can perceive, we get damage from the noise. Not only devastating sounds, but also inaudible sounds can hurt our ears and prevent us from clear thinking and concentration. We measure this type of sound by hertz. It is said that humans can hear 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. We call over 20,000 Hz as ultrasonic waves and under 20 Hz as infrasonic sounds. Also, we cannot hear under 20 Hz, however, we continue to hear these sounds unconsciously. It causes headache, irritation, or fatigue. We call this kind of noise as ultra-low frequency noise or inaudible noise. These are examples of this kind of noise pollution. Compressor of air conditioner or fridge. The sound of engine of car or plane. Wind power generation, windmill.
However, hearing loss is sometimes caused by not only industrial noise but also physically. For example, compacted earwax or alien substances in the ear block the root sound. Also said that age-related deterioration typically occurs at the higher sound frequencies at about age 13 in men and at age 35 in women. Comprehension and discussion question. Why are men exposed to higher levels of noise? The effects of noise pollution also affect integral body function. The size of glands, blood vessels, Furthermore, such effects include fatigue, anxiety, deviations in sleep time, and reduction of appetite. Surprisingly, these effects are seen in not only animals but also humans. However, psychological disturbances are also caused by noise because it is said that productivity and efficiency can be affected by high noise. For example, people become tense, irritable, and resentful when hearing some noise. Such feelings make people disagreeable and has been shown to be a direct cause of absenteeism. In conclusion, it can be said that noise can cause not only physical changes but also psychological disturbances. However, there are good ways to avoid the problem. Some companies require employees to use devices which reduce noise and offer their workers consultations for an annual hearing test. In order to live and work more comfortably, it is significant to consider how to prevent noise like such companies' ideas. Discussion question. What kinds of other formulas are there to prevent noise in your life?